Alright, so you want to add a background image to your scene in Blender. Well, I'll show you how. Unfortunately, it is not as simple as I originally hoped, which is why I'm making this tutorial. So, click on your camera. You'll notice a new tab here opens up that looks like a green camera called Data. You'll see a drop-down menu and checkbox next to the words Background Images. Click the checkbox and the drop-down menu. Add your image, whatever that may be. And you'll notice nothing has changed, although you do have some new settings. In order to see the image, you'll have to press 0 on the numpad. Now you can change your settings however you may please. Once you have your image set up as you please, go to the Compositing tab on the very top of the screen. Click on Use Nodes, that checkbox, and make some room for yourself. You're going to press Shift and A. Click on Search, get the image node, put that above render layers. Get the alpha over node, put that somewhere in the middle. And get the scale node. We're going to put that between the image and alpha over nodes. Now, drag and drop the alpha over node to interrupt the line between render layers and the composite and viewer nodes. You'll notice that the background has gone white. That is okay, don't worry about it. And you'll notice that the image output for render layers has gone to the input of alpha layers to the top. Switch it to the bottom, so render layers image to the bottom one. And click and drag the image output from the image node to the top input for alpha over. You'll see that that is taking care of the fact that our render layers image has gone into 2. Drag and drop the scale on that line between image and alpha over. Change it from relative to render size, so that way you get the most options. Next, on the image node, get the image you just had by clicking that drop-down menu. And last but not least, on the right side of the screen, head to the Render tab. You should already be on it, the Render Properties. Hover over Film, click it, and make sure to check that transparent box, the box that says transparent. Now, all you need to do is render, and you'll have your background image. Now, should you uncheck the transparent box, you'll notice that you don't have your background image anymore, so it is critical to do that. But that has been under 5-ish minutes, so there you are. Now you can save it and do whatever you please. Hope you have a good one, and if this helps you, please consider supporting me by subscribing, because I am not monetized yet.